Staying warm out there tonight? I hope so. It's going to be hard because that wind is really producing quite a nasty wind chill. A couple really terrific reported photos coming in. Don't forget, take pictures of the weather, send them in to us. Reported tab at WIVV.com. We'll get them on the air. Wally's sending the shot in from Attica, and it sure looks pretty wintry out in Attica this afternoon. That's a late afternoon shot. And even the dogs are out in the snow today. In fact, this guy here looks like he's ready to do a little boarding. Lori's sending the shot in this afternoon. Thanks for that photo. Let's take a look at 4-1 Doppler once again. Some snow still coming down across the area. This stuff to the south of the city, a little lighter in intensity and starting to wind down. A little bit more of it going around still up in Niagara, Orleans, Genesee County. Some of this getting into northern sections, extreme northern sections of Amherst. It looks like maybe at the tip of the 990 there where it moves into Millersport. Also northern sections of Clarence, down to Clarence Center and to Newstead, the village of Akron, catching some of that snow. And some of that has been moderate, at least at times over the past hour or so, but all of this is going to cut out during the overnight period. In fact, out to the west of the area, look at this clearing across Michigan, back into Lake Michigan in the Western Lakes region. Totally clear sky out there, and that is going to set the stage for some of the sunshine that we have in the forecast around here, at least to kick off the week on Monday. Super microcast for tonight. There's the snow winding down from west to east across the region. However, the wind is going to be with us throughout the night and even into Monday, too. That's going to produce a fair amount of drifting snow, especially during the overnight on north-south roadways, making for some slick travel conditions, especially in rural areas, and also that nasty wind chill persisting through the overnight and even into Monday. So even though it's going to look better tomorrow, at least with that sunshine returning to our sky, and on paper, the temperature is actually warming into the low 30s. It's not going to feel like it when you take the wind into account. Next weather system, as I told you in the last half hour, starts to head our way tomorrow night. Increasing clouds out ahead of that, and maybe some snow showers breaking out toward Tuesday morning. We'll be dealing with some snow shower activity across the area on Tuesday, but this stuff should be manageable. I'm not anticipating a huge accumulation out of this. However, there's a chance of maybe a little lake enhancement very early in the day in the Buffalo metro. Then as we get into Wednesday, that stuff winds down to just a few flurries. Up on the island right now, Grand Island, you're checking in at 25 degrees. Also in the village of Williamsville, up through Pendleton, down through Lancaster, too, at 20 down here at Cheektowaga, 25 at Elma, 27 at West Seneca, 28 at Hamburg, and a 20 down at Colden. And regionally, temps are running from 25 at the Falls, 20 at Wellsville, down to 19 at Bradford, PA, and by the Lakeshore, Dunkirk at 26. Again, today's high temp, we struggled to hit 25 in Buffalo at the airport, 14 degrees the early morning low. Sunrise tomorrow morning, 7:17, 35 the water temperature at Buffalo, and 36 degrees off Rochester. Leftover snow showers ending tonight. Watch out for the drifting snow in the countryside. Breaks in the cloud cover later on, and a brisk wind chill tonight, 15 to 20 degrees. Tomorrow becoming partly to mostly sunny. Pretty nice day outside of that wind, which is going to be brisk. The high is 30 to 33. Tomorrow night, clouds thicken, snow showers develop later at night, down to 18 to 25 degrees. Looks like snow showers around the area on Tuesday, but again, amounts should be manageable, 33 to 36. We'll probably have some melting, too, with those temperatures rising into the mid-30s. Just a few flurries on Wednesday. Another mix of rain and snow on Thursday with a high of 41 degrees, and then scattered snow showers Friday and Saturday as we cool down heading into next weekend once again.
Okay, thanks so much, Mike.